Okay, y'all, this is going to be a very quick how-to video. And Teresa said, oh, I thought I saw something on there. Teresa said we need to do a video on how to poach an egg. So I said, well, okay.
Because I don't know how to poach one.
Well, it's easy. So I'm going to put,
I thought that was very
maybe a tablespoon of vinegar. All right, so you would want to have your water really boiling very well. I'm going to go ahead and crack my egg. So I salted my water. I put about a tablespoon of vinegar. Come on, pot, boil like I want you to. I'm going to put another little splash of vinegar. And then you will want to swirl your water so it'll make like a whirlpool. And there's several ways that you can poach an egg. I saw these one day and I thought, well, those are right neat. So you would just sit that down in your water, break the egg, and pour it into it. But a lot of people don't have a bunch of gadgets, to cook their poached eggs in. So I'm going to show you if this will ever boil. Watch pot never boils. All right, so I'm going to get that swirl to going. And the vinegar is going to cause the white part of that egg to shrink up. See how it's shrinking up and going towards that yellow? All right. Now I will show you how this one works. Uh-oh. Sorry. I got into your next door neighbor. And now you just pour this one.
Oh, look how easy that is.
Into your container. And sit it down in there. And they also make gadgets like this to poach an egg in your microwave. So this is probably still, after all said and done, this is probably the best way to poach an egg. All right, I'm just going to flip that egg over like that. And you can put him on an English muffin with a sausage patty, a ham slice, bacon, really whatever you want. So that's how you poach an egg. And the old-timey way is still my favorite way.
It's good.
Good. Is
perfectly cooked?
Is it overcooked?
No, perfect.
Good. Look at that. Now that's a beautiful one right there, Michael. I sprayed my little gadget so it just slipped right out of there. Okay, so Michael asked me to drain that one and get the water off. So a perfect poached egg. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.